Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today our topic is electricity resistance numerical. So in previous classes also discussion of the question through the potential difference and resistance. So now discuss of these topics that is given of that figure, that is the three resistance, that is R1, R2 and R3, and that through find the passes through the current, that is I, and that circuit in find the resistance is how much resistance are in this circuit. So these types of figure are given, then find the combination of parallel resistance and series resistance. So first things, that two resistance R1 and R2 are in series. So R series, R equivalent series equal to R1 plus R2, that is 6 ohm plus 6 ohm. R1 equal to 6 ohm and R2 is equal to 6 ohm and R3 is also 6 ohm. So R series R1 plus R2 equal to 12 ohm. RS equal to 12 ohm, and this circuit, that is this circuit, that is 12 ohm, and this circuit also is another is 6 ohm, that is now again A and B, that circuit 4. Then find out R series, then that is the now RS and R3 is equal to this. So that R series and RS R3 are in parallel. So R parallel equal to 1 by R series plus 1 by R3. So that is 1 by 12 and 1 by 6. That is taken 12, 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 12. That is 1 Rp. So Rp is equal to 4 ohm. So that circuit is the comes the resistance is, that is 4 ohm. Now another circuit taken, that is passes through, that is point A, node A and node B, that is given two resistance R1 and R2, and another is R3 and R4. Both resistance are in parallel. So first resistance taken Rp1, that is in this circuit, that is 1 by R1 plus 1 by Rp, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, Rp1, and another is 1 by Rp2 taken this circuit, that is 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. So that is taken 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3, and also 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 equal to 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So that is Rp1 is equal to 3 ohm and Rp2 equal to also 3 ohm. So that comes out the resistance, that is form in the this form, that is the point A and B. Rp1 is equal to 3 ohm and also Rp2 equal to 3 ohm. So that both resistance Rp1 and Rp2 are in series. So R series equal to Rp1 plus Rp2 2, that is 3 ohm plus 3 ohm, that is equal to 6 ohm. So equivalent resistance of this circuit, that is 6 ohm, this resistance comes to, that is 4 ohm. Now taken another question. Now taken another question. Question number 3, that is given of circuit if in this form. That is the point given, that is A and B. And node is, that is resistance given 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 1.5 ohm. So find the equivalent resistance of this circuit. So these types of circuit, find the resistance, that is checked out, that is the 2 points, that is A and B, that is A and B. So that is given name R1, R2 and R3. So R1 and R2 are in series because no node is present here. So R series equal to R1 plus R2. That is no name of these points, and so that is the R series equal to 1 ohm plus 2 ohm, that is equal to 3 ohm. And now this circuit, that is formed in these types. That is A and that is B, that is 3 ohm and that is 1.5 ohm, and then R series and that is R3. Both are in parallel. So R parallel formula, that is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 Rs plus 1 by R3. So that is the value 1 Rs 3 ohm plus 1 by 1.5 ohm. So taken LCM, that is 3, 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 3. Cancel out, that is 1. So Rp is equal to, comes to 1 ohm. Solve of these types of question. Now taken another question. That is question number 4, when your circuit is given of these types, then node A, B, that is B and C and D. 3 points are given, A, B, C, D, and given resistance are 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 3 ohm and 3 ohm. Such types of circuit, solve the numerical, that is taken R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 naming. So find the equivalent resistance. So taken two resistance, that is R1 and R2, R1 and R2, R1 and R2 are in series. So that is R3 is equal to R1 plus R2 equal to 3 ohm plus 2 ohm, that is 5 ohm. Means this circuit that is comes to 5 ohm. In previous also discussed the triangular circuit types, and then another is that is in parallel. So these types of that is comes to 5 ohm RS. Now another is that is 1 ohm. Now these 3 ohm and 2 ohm R4 and R5 is in series. So RS2 that is RS1 and RS2 is equal to that is R4 plus R5 equal to 2 ohm plus 3 ohm, that is 5 ohm. So that is also 5 ohm. These are in parallel. These are in parallel combination, that is A and B. So find out the Rp is equal to 1 by Rs1 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by Rs2. That is 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 5. That is taken LCM 5. 1 plus 5 plus 1, that is 7 by 5. So Rp is equal to 5 by 7, that is 7 point, that is 0.7 ohm. Find the R parallel resistance of total equivalent resistance, that is equivalent resistance Rp is equal to 0.7 ohm. Okay, thank you.